yeah, that's cute too. Oh, that's cute. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Today I have a wig that came out last year. I've been buying a lot of wigs. Somebody needs to come and take my credit card because I've been buying a lot of wigs. This wig came out last year and she was really popular and I wanted to see why. So I'm talking about the Outre Melted Hairline Divine wig. I'm going to show you guys how I put this wig on and wrap it up with my final thoughts. Give this video a thumbs up for me before we get started and hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind.
Alright my friends, so I'm finished putting on this wig and she is beautiful. We got another banger, y'all. I get why these wigs are sold out. So this is from the Outre Melted Hairline collection and I have the style Miss Divine and she is absolutely divine. Do you see this wig? Do you see this wig? I've been purchasing a lot of wigs. I have so many wigs in my closet. That's pretty much why I do wig sales a lot because I just can't hold on to everything. But I had to get this unit because she was so popular. I had to see why. I need to understand why these wigs are popular. So let me go ahead and give you guys a few specs. Still gonna get 2 combs right here and 1 in the back. You're gonna get just a standard lace part with this collection. It does come with some baby hairs, but I didn't really do anything with baby hairs. And it also is going to give you a hairline effect. I didn't pluck the front of this wig because I did film Arlissa. I have it right here. I filmed that one recently and the hairline was looking really nice on that one. So I was like, let me see if I can get away with this one, not plucking it. And this one to me, the hairline, we'll talk about that. And also, because this wig did come out last year, I'm noticing that this lace was a little bit more lace than the Melted Hairline collections that we have now. So I did get a little bit extra lace and it's also coming down really far on the sides. You can go ahead and cut the sides, but I didn't because I don't know if I'm gonna be selling this wig. She's pretty cute, but I do have a lot of wigs that look like this, but she's cute. She's cute. I'm gonna get also a lot of other pretty colors in here. You guys know Outre, they have beautiful colors. I went in with my spray and I also did a little bit of my black Ebon New York spray on the side just to kind of secure it more to the side. I just wanted to make sure it was nice and secure, but I think you could get away with not melting down this wig.
Whoop, there it is.
I like that effect of looking a little bit more melted. So that's why I choose to go in with some bedhead spray. But use your preference, use what you want. And I like the fact that I didn't really do any baby hairs and this lace looks good. It looks really good. I did go in with my powder and my contour. As you guys saw, I started off without makeup. I do suggest you start off without makeup and then go in with your makeup. And I just blended that lace in with what was on my brush and went from there, and she's definitely looking like my hair. This is kind of giving me in between of Amanda mixed with Arlissa, but just longer. I like the fact that they're giving us options with length. They're giving us, you know, for the girls that don't like super short or super long, we got a mid-length wig, and I like that. This wig right here, my eyelash, sometimes I forget that I gotta adjust these spire eyelashes because this bang is so pretty. I love the fact that it has this nice, beautiful feathered bang. Like, look at that beautiful bang. But your eyelash might come off, so just keep that in mind. But these layers are beautiful in here. I didn't go in and do any heat. I wanted to see kind of how it would be for somebody that pretty much is not going to really customize a wig out the pack, and I think she looks pretty good. As far as with the plucking goes, I noticed our Alyssa was plucked a little bit more, and this one could have did a little bit more plucking, so you could customize it if you want, but she doesn't look bad. You see how that lace goes back? You do get a good amount of lace going back, so you don't get lace all in the wig, but you do get the hairline effect of that frontal effect. So, you know, we gonna fake it till we make it. So I do like that. But this bang right here is, it might be too much for my eyelashes. My eyelashes, we might be over here fighting, but this is a really cute kind of everyday wig. I feel like it's a little bit more glam than everyday, but it's a real, I just kind of got my hair done and salon vibes. I'm noticing that this number 2 color compared to this 1B color, this is a 1B. This is our Alyssa. This is number 2 compared to this is 1B. This is number 2, this is 1B. So you guys see the difference of the comparison. As far as the texture goes, it definitely is on the silky side, but it's not Barbie doll silky. It feels really good. I didn't have to put any serum on here, any wig spray, nothing. Like, fresh out the pack. She's looking really good, y'all. If you want, you could go in with some heat and kind of flatten down this a little bit, but I feel like this hump for this bang is needed, if that makes sense, with this feather effect that they have going on here, because this feather is sexy, y'all. This is cute. This is really cute, but I felt like if I went in with too much heat, it would kind of flatten it out too much and not have all that body. So I get why they did that, but overall I think she's really cute. I think she's a winner. She's divine. She absolutely is. I'm not feeling my eyelash. I'm not feeling my eyelashes coming off. These bangs sometimes. Woo-hoo-hoo! You can put it behind your ear. It's not that serious, but oh yeah, that's cute too. Oh, that's cute. Okay. This wig did kind of shed on me a little bit, but it wasn't too bad. I am getting some shedding, and I'm not really getting much tangling. I am gliding my fingers through here, but y'all remember, this is a synthetic wig. It's only, I think, in the $35 range, so it is synthetic. It's not going to last for a lifetime. It's not going to last forever. It's not going to be moving and grooving like this forever, girl. But you definitely can get some wears out of here. And if you don't, if she starts getting all ratty, you can shampoo her with that shampoo and conditioner that I told y'all about and bring the wig back to life. So check that video out right here. I'm just saying, we could be saving the wigs. We're hashtag save the wigs right now. Y'all let me know if y'all got this wig, or, you know, what other kind of older wigs you guys want to see. I get why she was popular. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.
It feels so nice.